Actor Shahir Sheikh will play the role of Veer in an upcoming web show titled Parushpur. The actor recently got married to his girlfriend Ruchika Kapoor. Shahir and Ruchika did court marriage on 27th of November 2020. During the promotional interview of his upcoming show, when Shahir was asked to talk about his hush-hush wedding, he said,
But this lockdown made all of us realize different things. What it made me realize is that, first of all, how we are ill-treating our environment and how it can react in a way that we will suffer and how we should treat it better. The other thing was that we can't plan anything for future. I can't say next year I'll do this and 1 year after that I'll do this. You can't plan because everything is so unpredictable. So that's when I thought that, whatever I have to do it now. So let's do it.
Is there a possibility to be throwing a big party? All the people post, everything get normalized.
Yes, that's the plan actually. Because of the COVID situation also, we couldn't invite anyone and we couldn't do a proper function. So most probably what we have planned, because my sister is also abroad and almost a lot of relatives are settled abroad, people have to come from other countries. We have planned it for June next year in Jammu. So hopefully we'll be able to host everyone over there in Jammu and take people, my friends from Bombay to Jammu and celebrate it there. A lot of my friends are looking forward to go to Jammu because they have never been there or they want to see that side of India. Yeah, explore.
talking about his role in the web series, Shahir said,
what we are trying to tell the audience through Veer is that at that time also there were a few men who would use their power and their aggression to bring equality in the society, to make sure that everyone is treated equally, women get their rights. They were fighting for that in that era as well. Not everyone was trying to suppress women. So that's what I think I felt was quite inspiring about Veer, and that's why I wanted to play this character.
Parushpur also features Anu Kapoor, Milind Soman, Shilpa Shinde and Flora Saini. The show will stream on 29th of December on Alt Balaji and Zee5 Club.